All right, you guys, get ready. It is crunch time. That October 15th tax extension deadline, it is right around the corner. If you forgot, this is your reminder. And for small business owners and last-minute filers, it's not just about sending in those forms. It's about saving money and avoiding costly penalties. So joining me now with some fast, practical tax tips is Dr. Rosie Thomas with Thomas Financial. Good morning to you, Doctor.
Good morning.
So glad to have you here because I know people are stressing. So let's talk about it. A lot of people assume that October 15th extension gives them more time to deal with everything. And so can you explain what the extension actually does? What does it actually cover and what doesn't it cover?
Okay, so for people who filed an extension, that gives them only an extension to file, not extensions to pay. Most people think, okay, I filed an extension, I'm done. I don't have to worry about anything to October 15th. But no, it just gives you an extension to file your taxes, and whatever is owed, that was due on the original deadline, which is April 15th.
Interesting. Okay, so you got to have the money regardless, basically.
You have to make the
gotta
payment
make it
regardless.
meet. Gotta make it meet. Now, if someone still owes taxes but can't afford to pay that full amount by October 15th, what is the best course of action at that point?
I would say pay something.
Okay.
Pay something to reduce any penalties and interest they may have caused.
Okay, so put something down.
Put something.
Put a good faith gesture down, right?
Yes.
Now, let's say a business owner still owes after that deadline. What options do they have to avoid making further mistakes?
I would highly recommend an installment agreement. The IRS would allow you to split those payments up, make them monthly, but an installment agreement would be really, really good for those business owners.
Okay, let me ask you this. Let's back up 2 steps. How do you decide if you're in the right position to even file for this extension in the first place?
Well, some people, if you're not ready to file on April the 15th, file an extension.
Okay.
File an extension because a penalty to file is more costly than the ability to pay.
Okay, got it. That makes sense. Now, tell me, for anyone filing last minute, what documents, what information should they be gathering right now? I know me as a baby adult, I say that all the time. It's hard sometimes to figure out, okay, what is everything lined up? We just need somebody to break it down for us. So what do we need to gather?
So all of your income documents, whether, you have 1099s, W-2s, your mortgage statement, anything that you receive that you're supposed to file in your taxes.
Okay.
Also, if you don't remember or maybe misplaced, you can also pull your transcript from the IRS website.
Very good. Okay, and that just makes it easy too.
Makes it easy to outline everything that was reported to the IRS.
Very good. Okay, any last minute tax saving moves that people can still take advantage of before they file before October 15th?
One would be the home office deduction. I know a lot of small business owners work from home.
Yeah.
So if you have a dedicated space in your home, you can write off like your rent, your utilities, your internet, but you solely have to work in your home. You can't have an office
like a half
outside.
Yeah,
you can't say I have an office here, but I want to take a home deduction for when I work at home. You have to solely work from home.
Okay, wait, because I already filed my taxes, but I have so many questions about the things that I might be able to write off, like makeup or something. We're gonna have to talk. Okay, so tell me, business owner or not, no one likes a surprise tax bill. So how can we avoid it altogether in the future?
I would say advise tax advisory. Get you a tax professional. Don't try to do it on your own. It's so many deductions, and us as tax professionals, we have to keep up with the tax laws.
Yes, indeed. Okay, I'm coming to you to talk about deductions for sure. Tell me if they're also at home feeling the same way, or like I said, listen, it's what, 15 days away before that extension is here, and so this is the time to be asking those questions. Where can they find you?
You can find me on Instagram, Dr. Rosie Thomas. You can also catch me at my annual Tax and Business Summit on October the 15th in Frisco, Texas.
Very good. Okay, everybody write that down if you have questions, because that will be the day to go and get everything done that day as well. Thank you so much, Dr. Rosie, for being here this morning.
Thank you for having me.